Good morning. Good morning, my friends. Welcome back. How are we today? GJ still on the same place as yesterday. Hasn't moved at all. USDCAD flew after the break. No way I missed it. Oh my god. Look at this. When did it happen? 8 p.m. last night. Look at this perfection here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What did I say? Once we break this, we're gonna explode. Was a crazy big resistance here. A big move was expected. How did I not catch? Yeah, this happened late on the day, so probably I wouldn't take it. But the move was perfect. Let me see. Wow, 200 pips. Crazy. Same thing happened with EURUSD too. But yesterday I missed EURUSD because it was already rejected. Unfortunately. It was just a matter of minutes to catch this. Had a breakout without a top wick, came for the retest. It was also 4-hour break and retest. Even better. Couldn't have been better than that. USDCAD did a break and retest too. We missed this too. Looks like we missed everything. It even did a second retest. And we missed it too. GJ is still in this consolidation. One thing is good, that the more it consolidates, the bigger the move is gonna be. That's a good thing. Once it breaks, it can explode either way. So we're gonna wait for hopefully a break to the upside. We'll see. To the upside, because we have more rejections. You don't trade at night? No, I don't. Okay, let's see if we're gonna have any break and retest. Oh, look at this EA. It did the breakout, it came very deep for the retest, and then flew all the way up. This could be the 4-hour retest. Or no. Well, we could afford this. Probably we would be still on the trade, because we would use a stop loss below the breakout candle, which would be around 15 pips. Yeah, this we could catch also EURUSD. Looks like all NZD pairs did the moves. Was there any kind of news yesterday? It could have been because all New Zealand pairs did the same move. I can see, but I don't know. Yesterday, looks like no news, but still 300, 200 pip move. It's a big move. Okay, so today we have a speech on GBP, which is in 4 hours. We have some USD news in 6 hours. And this Fed speech in 8 hours. So there is plenty of time for us to take a trade without getting affected by news. We gotta find a trade now. From what I saw going through all the pairs, I think what we can do is wait for a break on GJ. Now that I see GJ on the 4 hour, because I didn't saw this 4 hour, it doesn't really look like it's gonna go up. Looks bearish, to be honest, but also is rejecting from support, so we are still stuck in this consolidation. EURUSD yesterday, we waited for the breakout above here and we hope that we get the retest, but it went straight to the upside, no retest at all. Today looks like it's coming to the zone. Now, are we gonna have a continuation, or this is gonna be the retest? The thing is, this zone is pretty good, pretty strong, and it's not gonna be able to break straight away, I think. And we could have some more continuation to the upside. You never make any trades. Last week you didn't trade at all. Here we go. Again, we have someone that says you never take any trades. take a look at some charts here in the meanwhile, because some people are interested to learn. They send charts, and some are interested only to get signals. They are not happy because I'm not giving signals. USDCAD, yeah, USDCAD is very good, to be honest. It's very good, but we just missed the setup because USDCAD already moved. It already did the retest. We were not there to take it. Aussie dollar daily. It could be good once it breaks, of course. Let me check. So the thing is, I'm thinking about EJPYs here. The way the daily candle closed, how strong it is, makes me think that we could continue to the upside still more than that. And the fact that you could see how strong this support on the left is. But also problem is that these daily wicks are 40 pips big, and it's tough to make a decision where to take a trade because there's a chance that price might come deeper for the retest. And the problem is that you can't even take sells because of daily, because the daily is going to be 40 pips. It's all a zone. So from what I see here, EJ is out of the list. Loki, wrong chart, my friend. You sent a wrong chart. Let's see. We have to find a trade. We need to find a trade because it's been very boring the last few days. Even though we want so bad a trade, we can't rush things. Need to wait. Okay, so the worst thing for now is that all the good trades are gone. We missed them. We missed the EURUSD. We missed EURCAD. We can't say now we didn't have any break and retest. They just came at the wrong time, or we couldn't take them. EURCAD came at a good time yesterday. We just didn't see. USDCAD came early on today. Although USDCAD didn't really come where I would want to, so this would be a 5 pip range Probably I would be waiting for a little bit to come lower. I don't know, right now it looks like it's a messy chart. Nothing good yet. Dan sent GBPCAD. GBPCAD is good and it's not that good. It's both. Because we are breaking a level and we are straight to the next level right away. It's just too close between each other. We're in between two zones. GBPCAD needs to close above 1.73800 or 780, and there's 10 minutes left, so it's gonna be a hard thing to do. Maybe we'll see. AUDCAD break and retest. AUDCAD break and retest. Let's take a look. The only thing that would stop me for taking AUDCAD is probably because I see this support here on the 4 hour. I wouldn't take it. I would skip AUDCAD. How about EU? EU, what's happening with EU? Oh, it's breaking a level. Let's take a look. Ooh, EU could be nice. This could be nice. Let's see. It looks like we have something, my friends. It looks good. Hopefully get the good breakout too. This is a good zone, guys. This is a very good zone. And thing is, look at yesterday. Look how strong the zone is. Boom, 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 boom. Look at all these, and every time price always respected this zone. Also yesterday did a breakout, did a retest. Today it's breaking down. This should be a good trade. Let's wait for it. Let's see how many pips breakout are we gonna have here. 6, 7, 8 pips could be very good. More than 5 is enough. EU on daily support, don't tell me about it. No, I think there's more room to push to the downside. Daily support, there's more room. Still have more room. If we look left here, support is all the way down here. And that's how many pips? we have around 30 pips range to the downside. Look guys, you don't have much to see here except that this could be a very good trade. Every time you look left here, you could see how price respected the zone. So it makes just the perfect sense price to do the same thing again. It shouldn't be a reason why this should not work out this time, just as it worked a lot of times before this. So you could just see how many break and retest happened on this zone, and they all respected the zone. Look at this, break and retest. Look at this, after this huge push, even though price came all the way down, still respect the zone first. Look at this, it closed below, did the retest, made the move, did a breakout, did the retest, even though it was a little lower, it did the move, rejected again. Then what happened? We opened with a gap during the weekend, price came all the way up, closed above, did a retest, moved all the way up. Now we're closing below. There's no reason why this shouldn't respect this level again. And we should get at least some easy 10 pips here. At least if we make the retest at 1.19150, we could go only for filling the wick is 10 pips, and a little bit more than that, around 15 pips should be the move. But what can happen here is also could be no retest. That's what I'm afraid of. No retest. Could it be the news? Where? Where are the news? Because I don't see any news. I don't see any news. If you thinking about this, it's in 1 hour and 2 minutes. If you're thinking about any kind of news that we didn't see, I don't see any high impact news also. The UK news is in 2 hours and 4 hours. And they don't have anything to do with EU. And this is a medium, it's just a speech in 2 hours. So I don't see anything. These news were on GBP. They were not on Euro. I think we should be good here. Let's see, I think the breakout's gonna be good. We have 2 minutes left. Look, no worries, don't take it. Whoever doesn't feel comfortable, you can just watch. What about EJ? EJ is at support, there's no trade on EJ. I only think EU could be the best setup here. If we get a chance to enter, because it looks very bearish right now, I'm afraid we're not going to get a retest. It may be the news or some tweet. Look, sometimes it doesn't have to be news for price to move. And it's not a very big move. It's not a very big move if you look at it. It's only 20 pips. And it moved very slow. In 1 hour made 20 pips. This is not a big move. Look guys, if you look at EU right now here, I think the next zone is around here. So if it comes around here, then it's too risky to take it anymore. Probably skip it. But I was hoping we get a straight pullback and a retest, then the continuation. But like I said, there's a lot of momentum right now. It's a matter of if we get a retest or not. Then always look for the left also, because you have the resistance right here. You could see on the 4-hour where the next level is. We don't have levels here. This is the big level we have. The one that we broke, that's the big level. All other levels are just weak. Nothing important on them. See how GCAD got rejected? It could still respect this level though. It could still, and then still try push and still try to break this zone too, and then continue. But as long as it's inside that, I'm gonna be cautious and not take anything before that. Euro GBP, a break and retest. Euro GBP is coming from support and broke a very weak zone. I can't even say it's a zone because only 2 candles here. Let's see, I mean, EU hasn't gone too far. If it stays here and then comes back, we could still take it. Stop loss, it's gonna be, if we take it of course, I think around 10 pips, not more. No need for a bigger stop loss. GJ also broke. GJ didn't break yet. It's still in this consolidation, as you can see. Look at the 4-hour on GJ. So we have this level on the 4-hour. And we have this consolidation. Price closed pretty bearish on the previous candle. And came all the way down here and got rejected from this zone, as you can see. So it's inside of this consolidation. It's in the middle of these 2 zones. Either way, wherever we break, it doesn't matter the direction. I think it's going to be a good setup here. Only that to the downside is a little bit more complicated maybe because of a 4 hour. We need a good close, and not a good close only below this, but we have the zone a little lower. I think around here somewhere. That's the problem. That's why I liked buys better on GJ, because it looks more clean to the outside. Once we break this, looks like perfect, you know, straight to this next zone after it breaks 800 level. This is the worst, when you have setups but you don't get a retest. We talked about your GBP. It's not retesting, that's a weak zone. It's not even a zone, and it's coming from another support. I hope it works for you. I really hope it works for you. Even GU could have been very good, but once it goes below this level, you could see the next level is already a little below. So if it goes below this, it straight comes to the next one, unfortunately. And EU, yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna retest anymore. It has moved only 5 pips, but it just doesn't look like it anymore. Oh, if you're still in USDCAD, then good for you, my friend. You caught a good trade, but we didn't. We talked about GJ. We did talk about GJ. We'll see what the 4 hour does, because we have an hour until the 4 hour closes, which means this 4 hour could break this level. We don't know that yet, but it could do that. And if it does, we are here to take it. If EJ breaks below, then it could give us a chance. But like I said, guys, EJ is complicated. Look at the daily. How are you going to take sells when price is at daily support? And this is 40 pip range. It's all daily candles. It's a messy chart. I would suggest to skip EJ. It's better to skip it because it's hard to make their decision. Let's see what happens. USDCAD has gone too far to wait for the retest. It hasn't gone too far. Maybe it has, to be honest. Because you could see that USDCAD is right at another resistance now. It looks like it has gone a little bit too far. And waiting for a retest. I mean, this zone looks pretty strong, to be honest.
Maybe GU is good, better than GJ.
GU is good, yeah, it is.
20 pips range to the downside.
Wait, we might actually have a good range to the downside. Because it looks small first, but wait. Yeah, 20 pips. I mean, it's good. Look, we have plenty of rejections here.
All we need is
a good close, yeah?
I think it's not a problem, but if you look on 4 hour, there is a 1 candle close, but it rejection the bottom level.
Yeah.
It is rejecting. Yeah.
No, this is a mess, to be honest. I wouldn't really look like
problem.
It should. If you look left, look at the 1 hour. Look where they rejected. So
yeah,
I think that's the next support.
We have clean candles here.
Yeah. A good thing that even this current candle is rejecting, just showing that this is a good, proper support. I'm afraid that once we go below this, we're not coming back anymore.
Yeah.
Because it's only 20 pip range and it might continue straight to the next level.
We need a lot of luck to get something here. To get 10 pips break, but not to go to the next level.
True. Look, GJ, I was thinking about GJ, to be honest, and I was thinking of not looking left at all on this setup here, since it's been a pretty big consolidation box. And I said maybe it's just better to focus on this current consolidation box and not look left. Let's wait and see. We have GU, GJ. Whatever gives us a better setup. Which one? I don't know which one is gonna be, but we're gonna wait and make a decision then. I think both are maybe similar to each other. It's not much difference. They both have these consolidation boxes here. They've been there for 2 days now, or maybe 3 including Friday too. They are pretty much the same. If you would trade Bitcoin with technicals, it would make sense that, okay, price has created the support here since we're having all these rejections. So if it breaks this level, would make sense to have some more continuation around here to the next zone. But we don't know if a Bitcoin is going to respect these break and retest setups. So we're going to see. Samuel, my friend, why are you worried about me, my friend? Just take trades for yourself. Don't worry about me. It's like the 10th time you're saying you didn't take any trades, you didn't take any trades, you didn't take any trades. I don't need to take trades every day. I could go whole year without a trade. It's not my first day of trading. I've been here for a long time now. I don't need to take a trade every day. Even though I want to take a trade, but sometimes you don't just get a chance. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. Just worry about yourself. Trade for yourself, make as much money as you can. Hope you become a millionaire since you're taking so many trades. Euro, I think Euro, it's not on the list anymore, I'm afraid, because it already dropped too much. It's gonna be a risky one if we take the retest after having a rejection like this. See, it almost did the 10 pips move. 8 pips. We needed a retest right away to cash this move. I think now we're just gonna wait for GJ and GU. If none of these also give anything this hour, then I don't know. It's gonna take a while until we get something. But it would be important to have a break in this hour because the 4 hour closes to, and then we could have a double confirmation.
I am also looking at GCAD if breaks 7376. It's a strong level.
Yeah.
If you look left, it's a nice one.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe GBP pairs reject all the way up now. You never know. We need to break this level on GCAD, then we could take the break and retest. And we have a good range to the upside too. It's another 35 pips range, I think. Clean chart all the way up. This is the zone on GCAD where we're gonna wait for the breakout. Not this, because this was a consolidation box. We don't take a trade inside the consolidation box when it's coming from another zone here. So we're in between two zones. It's a consolidation box. We either wait for a break above this or below this. This was just a zone created in the last few hours. And I said this could be also respected, but we can take it if it's coming from another zone here, which was coming from another zone. And GBP pairs are rejecting all. Like I said, I would really like to have a break above on GJ, but it's a long way to come all the way up here. It's like a 40 pip range. It's not easy, and I can't hope to have a push like that in 40 minutes. It's a pretty hard job to do. We have a speech in 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's medium impact. Kieran Shetty, my friend, you're asking for $30. Do you know what you are asking? $30, my friend. Go find a job and make $30. There's no reason to go on a live stream and ask people for money. You know, you might sell your phone maybe and get some money. Do some things that you have to do that look so important for you. Then you can work and buy the phone again. If you have a phone to stay on social media, you're not poor, my friend. EJ could be good, guys, but I said before. Domenico, look at the daily, my friend. The daily is too messy. We have a daily zone which has 40 pips wicks. It's not good at the end. The 1 hour looks good, but the daily is not good. This is myfxbook.com. myfxbook.com. Okay, GBP went wild. Let's go. It's dropping now. See? Once we go below, there's no... Oh my god. That's no retest. There is no retest. Straight to the next zone. I knew this is gonna happen. I knew. It was just a matter of time. Because the zone is not that big. Once it went below, unfortunately. Oh, look at GCAD. We might have a chance with GCAD. We might. Maybe. If we close good below this. But looks like there's a lot of momentum right now. Guys, we could do a lot of things, but we don't know yet until we see the candle close. That's what's important here. We need to see the candles where they close. We need to see if they touched another zone or not. And we don't know that yet until we see how the candles are going to close. Are they going to leave wicks? How big the break's going to be? And it looks like right now we're having some big moves. I don't know, we didn't have any GBP news right now. Or maybe some unexpected news? Nothing. Good morning, Dylan. Is this live? I don't know, my friend. Do you think it's live? Since I'm reading your question. Is it possible break and retest to be automated, or there are too many of subjective rules? No, I think it can be automated. It can. Maybe I'll do it in the future. There are some rules, but they can all be automated probably. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. There's a Telegram channel, puts your stream and has your logo too. What's the name of that channel? Side Effects is the name. Send the link. Maybe that's my channel. Maybe you're talking about my channel. It's right to enter a sell position on GJ. No, it's not. It's not right because it's not a breakout yet. Price is dropping. You want to take a sell here and then price go all the way up, or what? That would be an impulsive trade, and not a good idea. You have to wait for candles to close before making a decision. Down $90 on buy GJ. Why did you even buy GJ? Can I sell on GJ? You can, but not now. You have to wait for confirmations. You have to wait for retest. You can't just enter. Can I take sales now? No, it doesn't work like that. You have to wait for confirmations. You have to wait for price to close, to break a zone, then to make a retest, these kind of things. Let's not forget the zone on GJ. No, don't worry. We're not gonna forget about that. We are waiting. We are waiting. We have another 25 minutes left until the breakout, then we're going to see what we're going to take. How do you deal missing a trade with missing a trade? Well, I eat some chocolate and it's all good. You forget about it. It's very simple. Or you can cry, but it's not gonna fix anything if you cry. GBPAD. Could this be a good short? I don't know. It doesn't look like a classic break and retest. So I couldn't say it looks good for now. There's not a very good zone on the left maybe to look for a sell. Or let me take a look here. Let's see. This looks like a zone. Is it very good? Not that good, but it could work. I don't like when there's so many zones like this on GA in between and very close to each other. So we'll see. We're just waiting for this hour to end, my friends. Only this hour. Once this hour closes, we're gonna have also 4 hour break, so we could have something possibly, but we need to wait. We have another 20 minutes left. What's the best number of viewers here? 800, my friend. There are not too many viewers lately because there are plenty of other streams too. So people are choosing different streams for different strategies. So everyone has their preferences for trading. So it's good. it's very good that there are plenty of choices these days. There hasn't been a better time to learn how to trade. So many choices, and they're all free on YouTube. There was no live stream when I started. No live stream at all. You wouldn't even see charts. You would just see profits and no charts. You would have no idea how someone trades unless you would buy the course. Now everything is live. Trades, executions, how to take trades, how to use stop loss, how to do that, how to do this. Everything is for free. James, are you speaking to me, my friend? Because I don't understand half of your text there. See, the problem with GJ is it has already reached the level that we talked about, 150.200 or 180, 160. So it came straight to the next zone. This is the problem now. You can see that we're in the middle of two zones. We are at support and we broke another support. Can this work? Even though it's coming from another zone, it can, but it's very risky. That's a choice that you make then if you want to take it or not. From my experience, it's not a good idea to take it. But if you're not very patient, you might even try it, but at least use small risk or half risk, just lower your risk, and we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it's our rule to not take it, but
I think GCAD looks good. I would take it if it will break 10 pips.
GCAD, yeah, let's see. Oh, GCAD is good, Lajek. It's good because the 4-hour closest to and looks perfect. Yeah, I think GCAD's gonna be my trade too. 4-hour looks very nice. 4-hour closest too. 1 hour is also good.
I think we can wait until the good retest because of 4-hour and the big 1-hour candle.
Yeah.
So it should come, and I don't know, 42, 43.
Yeah, I think 450 I would wait.
450 even. Oh.
Yeah.
1 hour 11 starts like 43 maybe. Yeah, but it's 2 pips, it's okay. But I mean, we don't need to rush, I think, on this one.
Same, because we had a big candle drop, then we could have a deeper pullback.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for this to come for a proper retest here. 450 at least. GCAD is gonna be the next trade, guys. I don't care for GJ or GU anymore. GCAD is gonna give me a clean break. GU and GJ both are not that good. So we're gonna see. It should be nice. It should be nice. I can't wait for this. It's gonna be a nice quick 20 pips here. Can we sell CADCHF? You can do whatever you want, my friend, but my opinion, could you sell CADCHF? I think it's a little bit too late right now. You could have laid earlier on, but now I don't think so. I think it's a little bit too late. Let's see, I just hope GCAD gives us a good breakout and not a weak one. 10 pips break would be nice. You need to hit the gym. Really? Are you for real? No, I just look, maybe I don't look good on the camera. I'm very skinny. I lost 12 kilos. Don't worry. It just depends what I wear. Then I look different. Beitu, why are you saying to Lezak, congrats? What did he do? Oh, you didn't know? That was like a month ago. Chart's been so dead these past days. Oh, it's been very dead. It's dead. There was nothing these days. It's been very boring. Imagine GCAD rejecting all the way up last minute. Oh, that's very possible, my friend. It's already doing it. But still gonna have a good breakout though if we close like this. We have another 6 minutes. Still where candles are closed we have like 8 pips. But I would like for a better close. Let's see. I don't like how GCAD is rejecting. I like a convincing breakout, and this is not very convincing. This is not very convincing. Do you believe about Bitcoin? I don't have to believe. That's a thing that people do. Bitcoin mining. But whoever scammed you 1K, I don't know how he did it. Really, it's too hard to scam people these days. But yet, I mean, it's too easy to see someone trying to scam you. It's very, 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 very easy. I don't know how in these days people get scammed. I can't believe it when I hear it. I don't know. Guys, I'm not going to look at any other pair because I don't really care about any other pair. We are focused on GCAD right now. GCAD is going to give us the trade, and that's what we're going to focus on. Then we're going to look for, if this trade ends up good, we are done with it, then we focus on another one. So look at the 4 hour, it's going to close very nice. I think once it comes for retest, we're going to have a nice move. If we get a retest. Because we might just continue straight to the downside. Something's telling me it's not going to give us a retest again. Oh, something is telling me too. But let's hope that we get a retest, because it would be a shame not getting a retest here. Sell on GCAD, yes, but not yet. Waiting for candle close, then we're going to take it on the retest. Last time we took GCAD was Friday, not last week, but before last week, Friday, and it was a perfect trade. It went like 100 pips, I think. So GCAD did us very good. It gave us some nice profits. Let's see today. You can see that it's already pushing it down. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. Comes for a retest first. I just hope it doesn't move without us. I think I'm gonna look for sells around 460, 470. That's where I'm gonna look to enter. If it doesn't already make a move to the downside and leaves us. Not over yet, not over yet, let's wait. Let's watch some other pairs, maybe find something. Okay, GJ, you could see that it closed above. It closed above, there's no trade on GJ. GU didn't break this level, there's no trade here. Euro US dollar, no trade here. EJ closed below, but it's a very weak close, and we also talked about EJ, there's no trade there. A daily is not good. Let's see, GA 4 hour doesn't look good. 1 hour looks not that bad. It has a zone here, but it would be maybe too risky. Only I think GCAD looks the best for now. EURUSD, I don't see anything happening here. There's some small support. It's not a breakout yet, and it's not that good of a zone anyway. So I think only GCAD is giving us something. Not giving us, but has a breakout, and we'll see if it gives a retest or not. Once it goes below the previous candle, probably moves a little bit more. And today we're not having any retest. The market's not giving us anything. We're so unlucky today. We're so unlucky today, my friends. Looks like we still have a chance. If we don't go more than this, we could still have a chance. It is not over yet. Gerald, my friend, you have to stop that before I ban you. Don't repeat the same thing over and over and over again. We don't have CADCHF. You can send a chart and we can give you a review if you want. CADCHF. So what about CADCHF? I thought something amazing was happening today on CADCHF, but it looks like there's nothing, my friend. There is nothing. Price is right now at resistance, as you can see. And yeah, you could have maybe take buys around here, but didn't really come quite enough for the retest. So I think there's no trade here right now. Did you learn from FOREX at who is that? I didn't. I don't even know who is that. No disrespect though, but I don't know. No, I'm not selling GBPCAD right now. It's too early, my friend. GCAD is coming back. It is coming back. Do you know Andrew Lockwood? No. No idea who that is. Oh no, yeah, I know now. Andrew Lockwood, the guy that says Wait a minute. Have you heard about forex trading? Are you tired of losing? Just the marketer. We all seen these marketing videos. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. My thoughts about impulse entries are, I don't know. There are people who can make it work. For me, it's not my trading strategy, so I can't say anything about impulse entries. It's not how I trade. Raja trades impulse entries, but he knows how to do it. He has the rules he uses, he has his confirmations, he takes it based on something, so it works pretty well. I trade different way. I trade higher time frames. I wait for break and retest. That's it. Would you share he's your mentor? I didn't have a mentor, my friend. I've said this many, many times. I just learned by watching the charts, trying things, found something that worked for me, used it for a long time, perfected it. That's it. Does someone who traded for 30 years need to sell courses? Probably not. One thing I know that if I'm 40 years old, you're not gonna see me around here anymore. People are not traders that are traded for 30 years old, for 30 years, not gonna be making marketing videos about a course. I mean, you've seen Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted is on another level now. You don't see him that much. That's it. When he becomes successful, you're not going to be around for too much anymore. Wasn't Mr. Sanders your mentor? No, Mr. Sanders was just to make fun. We just made fun with Mr. Sanders. He was a scammer. Mr. Sanders is a scammer. You know, these scammers that send text on YouTube chats. Contact Mr. Sanders, he made me a lot of money, and these kind of things. Then we just made fun. Very boring right now. It's very boring right now. We're not having anything. It's not gonna affect you if everyone uses your strategy. No, why would that affect me? That's why I'm here, to share my strategy so everyone can use it. It doesn't affect me at all. Not at all. GCAD is pushing back up. Let's see. Not gonna rush. We need to take a good entry here. So we need to wait. Someone must lose money. Bro, don't worry. You think that millions of people trade break and retest? Of course not. Only a few people. You know how many people trade? Like, people who trade break and retest, we're nothing. We're too small community. I mean, we're getting big, but it's still too small. It's gonna be people losing all the time. Plenty of them. GCAD is coming. Right now we're at 400. We need to come at 450, 470, around there. Can't believe that it is coming. OMG. GCAD, what a move. What the hell happened? I just looked for a second in my phone and boom, it went bearish. It's not meant for us today. What the hell happened? I mean, no, it wasn't that big of a move. But I left it bullish, then just a second, and it turned all the way bearish. Like it made already 10 pip a move. It's not good at all. We might have missed this. No, stop loss was meant to be around 10 pips. But looks like it's gone. Damn. What the hell happened? Yeah, reject a little bit lower than I expected. Oh man, this is gonna melt now. No luck today, no luck today. Check out this easy trade. Let's check out your easy trade. Interesting. 1 lines, 2 lines, a sell here. I don't understand your way of trading, but I wish you luck, my friend. I hope you win it. If you're in GCAD, then good for you, my friend. Keep it. I didn't enter yet. I was waiting for a deeper pullback. Looks like I made a mistake by waiting too much. Probably not gonna come up again. Even though it's been only 20 minutes, we could still have the move, but not good that we got rejected that fast. Was only a matter of another 5-6 pips, because I wanted to enter deeper in the zone. Because look, it rejected at 420, and I was looking to enter at 470, 460 because of that big drop, and I thought, okay, it might come a little deeper. Let's not get that drawdown, but yeah, it looks like it's gone. It's almost 15 pips now. Around 15, yeah. Man, this was a perfect setup. This was a perfect setup. How did I miss this? I missed 2 trades today. USDCAD and GCAD. Also yesterday I missed EURUCAD, the break and retest here on the 4 hour, and I missed EURUSD. This one happened very late on the date, so can't blame myself. But these others were right there. Time for chocolate, let's go. Time for chocolate. No, I already ate too much. Done for today. I just told you why I waited for GCAD to come lower. Because we had a huge drop and I waited for a bigger pullback. Didn't want a 10 pips drawdown. That's why. That's why I wanted to wait for a deeper pullback. But unfortunately it didn't come for a deeper pullback. It rejected earlier than that. But if you guys caught it, that's good. Don't worry about me. It's bad for my students because they don't take it if I don't take it. You guys take it anyway. You don't care if I take it or not. It's bad that I couldn't give this trade because it was perfect. It was just a matter of another 3-4 pips. Too bad. This was a perfect setup. Damn. What can I do? Feels like no luck these days. All these nice setups gone. Now next trade is just gonna be searching and searching, and maybe no trade's gonna be like this one till the end of the day. Very unfortunate. I'm gonna take a small break, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, we're gonna wait also for the next hour to see if we can catch anything else. If not, we're gonna wait until we get something. There's no other choice here. Just a small break and we'll be back. We're back. We are back. Sad, fear to take GJ, and look how it perfectly went. My friend, I didn't fear taking GJ. I have rules, my friend, and I respect the rules that I have. Aussie dollar. It looks good. We only had 2 rejections from before. Now this candle is breaking. It could be something. GJ, big drop. One thing that I don't like is when I have to go too far for a trade, for a zone. That's what I don't like. Like this Aussie dollar. I like to have the zone right in front here. Like a few hours of some consolidation. GCAD already made how much? 26 pips? What do you want more? Just take the win and go away. It already did a lot of pips there. No need to wait for more. Not having any kind of setup here. That GCAD was good. Unfortunately, it didn't take it. Now it's gone. Nothing for us now. This Aussie dollar could be something, but we're gonna see. EJ could be something, but the daily is not good. That's what's stopping me. Even though it's coming and closing back in this range here. Yeah, if Aussie dollar could pushes lower, could be something, but I have to wait. Maybe the candle close should be very good to convince me to take this. USDCAD. USDCAD is nowhere. No comment on USDCAD. There's nothing here. Look at this 200 pip move. Look at this move. There's nothing we could do there. USDCAD. What do you guys see on USDCAD? This break. I mean, it's not bad. We could try this. If it has a very good break, we can try USDCAD. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. We have 10 minutes left. If we have a good break, I think I'm going to take USDCAD here. This is perfect. If it has a 10 pips breakout, this should be a very good trade. Is it coming from another zone? I think not. The zone is a little higher. We could still have more room to push. That's good. We're going to wait for USDCAD. I just hope it doesn't go too far, because with the luck we have today, it's gonna go all the way without any retest. You think it's going straight to the next zone? We still have some more room to push. I think all the way here we have the next zone, which is another 20 pips. That's another 20 pips zone range to go. 15. Let's say 15. Still has more room to push. USDCAD should be a nice trade here. Let's just wait for it. Hopefully it comes for a retest.
Seth, could you explain why you like better USDCAD over AUDCAD? You just said that you don't like when it's an old level, and on USDCAD we have like old level and no confirmation today at any reaction over there. And it's only like
You mean
one high.
AUDUSD?
Yeah, for me it's much better.
I don't know, maybe because AUD dollar has this zone just a little below.
Okay.
You could see some rejections here. And USDCAD, the range is bigger on USDCAD. There's
Yeah.
nothing here on the left until here.
Okay. But the zone is not so strong. It's like one high.
The zone is not very strong, but the way this current candle is forming, it looks very strong. And it looks like it could have some rejections after it breaks.
Okay, thanks.
No worries. If you look also left, it matches perfectly with this zone too. You could see this, maybe even more. And we could see USDCAD make some correction because it's been dropping a lot. And this could be some more continuation. We saw yesterday this head and shoulder. I knew it was going to continue, but wait. When did this happen? Because this was a perfect fake out. This closed back in the range, this retest, this continuation. Wow, this was good. How did I not see this? Could have been perfect. Where's your Lambo? I don't have a Lambo. I have an Audi A6. I have a Mercedes GLE. And I have a Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the new one. What do you want more? There's no place for Lambo here. It's not a place to drive a Lambo. I have one wife and I don't have any children. Maybe I'll have one in the future, or 2 or 3. I don't know. Maybe I'll just make plenty of them, and they're all gonna be traders. You guys are asking some weird questions. You mean you are a millionaire? I don't know. What do you think? Okay, 1 minute left. The candle is closing. I'm gonna wait for retest here. And this is the move we're asking here. We're waiting for. I don't know if we're gonna get a retest or not, but hoping we get a retest. Once we get a retest, there's a 15 pip retest should be made of. It's gonna be hard to be honest, but I don't know, we'll see. We can catch an easy 10 pips here. If it makes the move first, then comes later on, I don't think I'll take it. It's just not gonna be same anymore. Do you trade gold? No. Not these days. We don't trade gold these days. Used to, but not now. USDCAD is not coming back. Too bad. What made you start trading? It made me start trading. I just wanted to find something that I can do it by myself. Something that I'm passionate about. And I found trading. And I always wanted to do something from home, from my computer. So this was a perfect thing for me. No, it's not gone yet. It's not gone yet. We still have a chance. It only made a little bit a wick here. We can still have a chance. We can still have a chance whenever it comes. Stop loss probably gonna be around 10-12 pips. I think so. If it makes a move around 6, 7, 8 pips, I think then probably, or 10, I think I'll skip it then. No luck today. At least not yet, for now. Let's see, because there are some news coming up. There's been some hours, well, some hours went by, so we have some news in 1 hour and 46 minutes. A speech, to be specific. Then we have some news on USD. That's almost 4 hours, so we should be good with USD-CAD here from the news. Nothing is gonna happen for another 4 hours. All we need is a retest. We'll see. The only thing is that USD-CAD needs to make a 15 pip pullback, and that's pretty big right now to make it right away. So it might take half an hour maybe until it comes around here. Plus it made a small move of like 3-4 pips to the upside, and that could be a total of 20 pip pullback. Might take some time. Gonna take some time. Wow, GBP is melting. It is melting, GBP. Let me see GU here. GU could give us a retest, to be honest, but probably it's gonna be the news by then if it comes. 1.38050 could be a retest of this zone. And that's also for our level, and we still have more room to drop here. If we could get a retest around there, would be perfect. This could be perfect. Who knows, it might come later on. You could use a 10 pip stop loss above this previous candle. Could be nice. EJ melting too. Okay, Aussie dollar closed below that, but it's very close to this next zone. That's why I'm not looking at it right now. EURUSD is pushing and pushing and pushing. 250 pips. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so for now, I think USDCAD is the only setup that we have. It's coming, yeah, it is. It has another 10-15 pips to make to come for the retest. It's a long way for USDCAD. USD thinks it's a crypto. You're very right. It looks like a crypto chart, because usually we don't see these kind of moves on Forex. Only cryptocurrencies look like this. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency massive earnings. What's up? 1214868. These guys are ridiculous. How do you think they can recruit people in a YouTube live stream, like by just sending their numbers, saying massive profits on cryptocurrencies? That's not a way to grow. You gotta provide something and people will come to you. You're not gonna need to go in other chats and look for people to recruit with one text. It's very stupid. Yes, I want the candle to come to my line here, which is the support that I'm waiting. This support that acts now, this zone that acts now as support was a resistance first. Now it broke, now acts as support. We wait for the retest and we expect some continuation. It is always good to have the retest on the first 20 minutes maybe, because you have more time than for price to reject and continue, give you some pips. It's not good when it come on the last minutes. It can come on the first minutes and then, you know, stay there until the last 15 minutes, but not come for the retest on the last minutes, because there's no bullish momentum anymore. That means for an hour it has been pushing down and there's a risk there. It's gonna take some time. USDCAD has another, how much here? Yeah, it's another 10 pips needs to come to the downside. I think it's gonna make like this kind of pullback and then it's gonna reject. It's not gonna make a full pullback, even though I'm hoping for it, but it seems like it's not gonna happen. Okay guys, so the plan is to enter buys at 1.25660 on USDCAD, only if it doesn't make a move to the upside but still comes for the retest. If it already comes up, pushes, then it's probably over. And like I said, you could see already it's rejecting. It's a big range to make the retest and continue, so not good for us. I think I'm gonna go for now, and we'll see if we get this. You could use pendings if you want to send and not stay in front of charts. Otherwise, there's nothing really happening right now. It's taking a lot of time. We had a very good trade, but unfortunately we wanted a better price, which didn't happen and rejected earlier and went pretty good. Congrats for those who cashed it. Congrats for those who made profits. Unfortunately for us who didn't take any trades, we're hoping that we get something. GU could be on the list, but there's news coming 1 hour 35 minutes. It's a bit risky. That speech can cause some volatility. USDCAD is one of the pairs that we're looking for, but you could see already it's rejecting and turned bullish already. Looks like it's going to continue. How do you keep your cool on days when you don't see a trade? It's not hard for me because I have a lot of experience by now and it doesn't really play a big role. I feel sorry for those who need the trade these days, and I wish I could give them more, but it's just not happening, unfortunately. So have a nice day. For now, we'll keep in touch, my friends. See you for now. Thank you all.